good morning. Welcome back to my channel. It's been a little while since I last vlogged, so I'm excited to get back into it. Today is Thursday, May 14th. It's around 9 a.m. right now. I woke up a little while ago, had breakfast. I've kind of been on a little health kick lately. We'll see how long this lasts. But I'm about to go to the roof of my parking garage and go for a little run / walk. I am like the world's worst runner. I've never been good at running, but I've been forcing myself to start my day with a little run outside. I just run for as much as I can and take walking breaks. I'm so bad at running, but I'm hoping that if I do this every day, I will be able to get better at it, and it's a good challenge for me, and I just feel like it wakes my body up. It's just a nice new thing to add to my morning routine. So that's what I'm about to do right now. The weather is beautiful outside today. It's supposed to be nice the next few days, so that always puts me in a good mood. Hi guys, it's a little bit later now. It's around noon. I just got off a call and then I made myself a sandwich for lunch. It's just turkey, avocado, cheese. Yeah, so I'm gonna eat this and then I'm watching Dead to Me on Netflix. I have 2 episodes left. Sorry if you can hear Kitty, she's eating in the background. I have 2 episodes left of season 2. I literally watched this whole series in like a day. It's really good, so I'm gonna finish season 2 and then I have some more work to get done on my computer, and yeah, just having a good productive day.
Look at this baby. I'm so tired. Aww.
Hi guys, I am in my car now. It's later on in the day. It's already 3 o'clock. I finished everything that I needed to get done for the day. So I'm rewarding myself by going for a little drive. This is literally how I've been staying sane. I'll just get in my car and drive around. I think I'm gonna go to the Starbucks drive-thru right now. I'm craving a matcha, which I haven't had in so long. I love driving, especially on nice days like this. I'll just crack the windows open, listen to some music. Yeah, is that sad that this is like the most exciting part of my day? I'm gonna go. Okay, I'm in the line at Starbucks. It's a really long line. I thought I would share some music that I've been listening to lately. I always have my Spotify linked in the description of all my videos, and I just posted a new playlist a couple weeks ago of like songs I've been listening to during quarantine. So if you haven't checked that out already, you should. That's like a couple weeks old, so a lot of new music has come out since then. I need to post another playlist, but I don't quite have enough new music that I'm liking. But tomorrow's Friday, so hopefully some good new music will drop and I'll post a new playlist. I've been listening to Lennon Stella's album like non-stop. My favorite songs on there are Jealous, Games, Fear of Being Alone, Older Than I Am. They're all really good. And then I've been listening to Lil TJ's new album. I think he's like the best newish rapper out there. His music's so good, so he just came out with like a little album. Who else? Drake's new album I've been listening to. Lil Baby, you know, the usuals. But yeah, make sure you're following me on Spotify and look out for a new playlist coming soon.
Welcome to Starbucks. How can I help you today?
Hi, can I just get a grande iced matcha latte with coconut milk?
Okay. Safe.
guys, I just made dinner as you saw. Made this pasta with mushroom and garlic sauce. It's really good. So I'm going to eat this. It is 7:02 right now. So I don't really have much planned for the rest of the night besides watching Kardashians at 8 and then Real Housewives of New York at 9. It's my reality TV night. Also, before I was taking Instagram pictures in my room. It's getting really hard to come up with Instagram content right now because I live alone in my little apartment where there's not that many photo options, so I've been struggling, but you know, lots of mirror pics. So yeah, I'm gonna post an Instagram right now. It is 7:45 right now. I have 15 minutes until my shows start. So I'm gonna make a little cocktail and I thought I would show you guys the recipe. So I'm gonna make a margarita because that sounds good. I got this book. I've never showed you guys this little shelf. I have these shelves in my kitchen. I think this is like my favorite part of my whole apartment. I think it looks really cute. So I just keep my dishes up here. This little shelf thing is from the Container Store. Really good for just creating more storage. But I have all these cute little books up here. There's some cookbooks and then some like drink recipe books. This is my latest edition. It is Ariana and Tom Sandoval's book from Vanderpump Rules and Danny Pellegrino, who I follow on Instagram. He's so funny. So it's just like a bunch of different drink recipes. So I've been trying some of these out or just like coming up with my own or just looking up recipes online. But I saw this one, a berry margarita, and I have pretty much everything. I don't have basil leaves, so I'm just gonna skip that and it won't be as good, but you know, making do with what I have. So I'm gonna make this and hopefully it turns out good. This is my first time trying it. Okay, so step one, taking our lime wedge, coating it like so. These glasses are from Crate & Barrel, by the way. You're supposed to use salt. I'm using sugar to rim the glass. I know like salt and tequila goes together, but I like it sweet, so I'm using sugar instead. So coating like so. Beautiful. Then we take this thing, we put in 3 lime wedges, 3 blackberries. I kind of want to put in more than 3. I want it to be like very fruity. I'll add 1 more. And then we do 1/2 ounce of agave. I'm just kind of estimating 1/2 ounce. It's probably like that much. And now we're supposed to muddle this. I don't have like a muddler. I'm gonna use the back of this bottle opener instead. That should work. How do you muddle? Now taking tequila. This is Casamigos. And we're gonna do 1.5 ounces of tequila. So that's like 3/4 of this because this is double. Oh. Okay. Then we're supposed to do 1/2 ounce of Cointreau. I don't have Cointreau, so I'm using triple sec. They're both similar, so doing about 1/2 ounce of this. And then we shake. I'm nervous. I always spill with this shaker. Oh no, there's chunks getting in. I ran out of ice, so it's not like full to the top. It's really good. It's very strong, but it tastes really good and it's pretty. But my lime wedge fell in. Do you guys like me sharing drink recipes in the vlogs? Let me know. I'll do more of them. So cheers. I'm going to watch Keeping Up with the Kardashians and then Real Housewives of New York and sip my margarita. I'm very confused because Kardashians isn't on. Isn't it on Thursdays at 8? What day is it? Today's Thursday. I was so ready. Wait, it's not coming on tonight. The show won't return for a new episode on Thursday, May 14th. So it's just not on tonight. Okay, well I guess I'm not watching Kardashians. So I have an hour until New York is on. I think I'm gonna watch an episode of Waco because I had planned on that being my next show that I'm gonna watch. I guess now is the time to start it since I just finished Dead to Me. Okay, I just finished watching Real Housewives and just got myself ready for bed, did my nighttime skincare routine. This was the skincare lineup of the night. I've actually been switching up my skincare routine a lot lately. Keeping some products the same, but trying out a bunch of new ones as well. Tonight I used my Drunk Elephant Night Serum. I've been using this for a while now. This is my second bottle of it. And then also used the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream and their Retinol Eye Cream. I've been using a lot of First Aid Beauty lately. I really love that brand. I definitely want to film an updated skincare routine soon because it's changed a lot since my last skincare routine, but I'm still like perfecting it, so it might be a little while, but that'll be coming in the near future. Time for bed. My room is so cozy at night. I got these new lamps. They're from Target. I had been wanting matching lamps to go on these nightstands, so I just picked these up. I think they're so cute and they just complete the room. They make it so much cozier. I also hung this mirror up on this wall. I've had this mirror for a while. I also got it from Target, but I finally hung it up. So now this wall has something on it and I just love how this little corner looks. I think it's so cute. But anyway, I'm gonna head to bed. It's a little bit after 10 o'clock. Kitty in the back. So I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed it and are doing well. I'm excited to get back into vlogging. It's been hard to come up with things to vlog during this time because I just don't want them to get repetitive, and I feel like I've just been doing the same exact thing every single day. So trying to come up with ways to switch up the videos for you guys, but I hope you liked this and make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I love you guys and I will see you all in the next video very soon. Bye.